Good morning, children. Welcome back to Max Track 1 session. I hope you understood both the methods of substitution method and elimination method very clearly, because the way you are posting the answers is very good, because immediately means in the morning I am sending you the class, immediately within 1 hour I am getting the solutions with correct solutions. Okay, good. Children, if you do in that way, we'll finish this chapter very easily. That means in easiest way we can finish up. That means in a short period we can complete it. Okay. Listen very carefully, children. Now today I am going to explain two different models. The one is already which we learned, that is substitution method and elimination method. Means why means sometimes they may give for 3 marks or 4 marks question. At present only maybe MCQs. Okay, but if any type of this question comes like SA2, actually at present SA2 this chapter is not there. Okay, so leave everything. If they give for the 4 marks, they may give you the question like this. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. That means here both the methods is asking to find for one question. First he asked elimination method. See, that should be very carefully. First he asked, we learned for substitution method, but according to the question here, elimination method is there. So first write here elimination method heading. Elimination method. So they can understand very clearly. So elimination method we are doing. So write the given equation as 3x plus 4y equals to 10. That is equation 1. Next 2x minus 2y equals to 2. That is equation 2. Here if you clearly observe equation 2, you can simplify, children. See here, if you take 2 common in this, because in this all 2 is there. 2x, 2y, 2. So why can't you take 2 common in this? X minus y equals to 2. That means from the second equation, I took 2 common. That will be x minus y equals to 2 by 2. That is 2 by 2 is 1. That means x minus y equals to 1. Now you framed a new equation. That is x minus y equals to 1. That means now two equation can also be written as like this. Now elimination method. Now see the equation 1, that is 3x plus 4y equals to 10. But see the equation 3, x minus y equals to 1. Now you want to eliminate x or y, your wish. Now if you want to eliminate x means here the x coefficient is 3, here x coefficient is 1. So it is easy to multiply the equation 3 with the coefficient of x in the first equation, that is 3. So multiply equation 3 with 3. Okay, multiply equation 3 with 3. That means 3 into x minus 1 equals to 1. That means 3 into x 3x minus 3 into y 3y equals to 3 ones are 3. So you've got new equation, that is equation 4. Now observe equation 1 and 4. Observe equation 1 and 4. That means solving equation 1 and 4. Solving equation 1 and 4. What is the equation 1, children? 3x plus 4y equals to 10. What is the equation 4? 3x minus 3y equals to 3. Now you want to eliminate the value of x, no? That means here both are positive. That means we have to do subtraction. So while doing subtraction, the symbols will change. Okay, I change the symbols. Minus, here minus become plus, here plus become minus. So plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. 4 plus 3, 7y equals to 10 minus 3 is 7. So y equals to 7 by 7, that is 1. Therefore, y equals to 1, you got the answer. Okay, so y equals to 1. Now, how will you get the value of x now? Substitute y equals to 1 in any one equation, whichever you like. I like third equation because it's looking very easy. So, in equation 3, substitute y equals to 1 in equation 3. So, that is x minus y equals to 1. X minus 1 equals to 1. So, x equals to 1 plus 1. So, x equals to 2. Therefore, x equals to 2, y equals to 1. Okay. So, remember the values of x and y, children. Why? Because substitution method we have to do. There also you have to get the same answers. If you did not get, somewhere you have done wrong. So, remember x value 2 and y value 1. Now, we will go for the substitution method, children. Okay, children. Now, see here. Now, we are doing which method? Substitution method. So, heading substitution method. Substitution method. Now, see the solution here. 3x plus 4y equals to, how much it is? 10, sorry. 3x plus 4y equals to 10. Okay. Next, 2x, this is equation 1. The second one is 2x minus 2y equals to 2. As I told you, you can simplify still this one. Means equation 2, we can do simplification. 2 of x minus y equals to 2. So, x minus y equals to 2 by 2, that is 1. That is x minus 1 equals to 1. That is equation 3. Now again, whichever equation you can like, you can take it. Okay, either equation 1 or equation 3. So, equation 3 is looking very easy. Okay, so I am going to select equation 3. So, from equation 3, that is x minus y equals to 1. So, here y is negative. Always see that the wanted variable should be positive. Here y minus y, that means if you send that side y and bring y this side, 1 this side, it will become easily. That means bring a 1 this side and send y that side. That means y equals to, that means y went that side. So, x minus 1. Okay. So, y equals to x minus 1. So, this is equation 4. Now, substitute y equals to x minus 1 in equation 1. Substitute y equals to x minus 1 in equation 1. That means 3x plus 4 times of y. Y is how much? X minus 1 equals to 10. So that is 3x plus 4 into x, 4x minus 4 equals to 10. So 3x plus 4x is how much? 3x plus 4x is how much? 7x. Okay. Okay, children, see here. 3x plus 4x is 7x equals to 10. Minus 4 will go that side, means plus 4. So, 7x equals to 14. So, x equals to 14 by 7. 7 ones, 7 twos. So, x equals to 2. So, in before sum also x value is 2. Okay, that means up to here it is correct. Now, substitute this x equals to 2 in equation 4. That means y equals to 2 minus 1, that equals to 1. That is y equals to 1. Therefore, x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. That means your solution is correct because both before answer and this answer got tallied. Okay. So like this you can do when the both methods are given. Now, basing on this elimination method or substitution method, whichever method you like, but preferably only elimination method because it is very easy to solve quickly. Okay, but it is your convenient, you can go any method when if they did not mention anything. If they mentioned only substitution method means you have to do only substitution method. If they mentioned elimination method means elimination method only you have to follow. If we did not give anything and solve for the values of x and y, then whichever method you easy for you, it is convenient for you, you can go with that method. Okay. Now the next sums what I am going to teach is little bit different. Just near to this model only. Just how the equations framing also, it looks very good. Okay, you can enjoy the sum. Okay children, see the next model I said, no? Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. That means here it is looking like a fraction, but how we are going to solve the values of x and y? It is highly impossible. So that's why we have some method, very easy children, if you understand, very easy. Okay, here 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equals to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equals to 13 by 6. First this one you convert into our standard equation. Okay, convert our standard equation as I told you, know, ax plus by plus c equals, that means a1x plus 2 equations are there, no? So a1x plus b1y plus c equals c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. That means convert this into in that form first. That means how you did before sums. So first convert these two equations into a standard linear equation. See here. Sorry, pair of linear equation. Now see the solution. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equals to 2. Means I took the equation 1 first. Now, how I simplify, listen very carefully children. 1 by 2x can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Is it right? 1 by 2x can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Similarly, 1 by 3 into 1 by y equals to 2. Okay. So 1 by 2x can be written as, if you check once correct, see 1 ones are 1, 2 into x 2x, 1 into 1 1, 3 into y 3y. There is no change. Now here 1 by x and 1 by y is there, no? Here let 1 by x equals to, because it is looking like a fraction. Okay, so that's why we cannot do the sum in this way. So we have some other way. So that's why whatever the given fraction 1 by x, we just consider as a small a. So 1 by x equals to a and 1 by y equals to b. That means consider 1 by x equals to small a, 1 by y equals to b. Now how will you write this equation now? 1 by 2 a plus 1 by 3 b equals to 2. Now find the LCM for 2 and 3 children. That is 6. 2 tables 6 3 times. 3 ones are 3 a plus 3 tables 6 2 times. 2 into 1 2 b equals to 2. Okay, that means 3a plus 2b equals to 6 into 2, that is 12. Now you got equation 1. See, without any fractions you got, without any denominators. Okay, So 3a plus 2b equals to 12. Now take out the second equation now. What is the second equation there? 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equals to 13 by 6. Same. 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y equals to 13 by 6. If you observe, in these two equations 1 by x is there. So that's why already you took 1 by x equals to a, no? So here we can write straight away. 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b equals to 13 by 6. So LCM is 6. In 3 table 6 2 times 2a plus 2 table 6 3 times 3b equals to 13 by 6. This 6 get cancelled. So 2a plus 3b equals to 13. So that is equation 2. Now you got both the equations. 3a plus 2b equals to 12. 2a plus 3b equals to 13. Now you know how to find out the values of a and b. Whichever method you can use, you can. Elimination or substitution. But I like substitution, I will go with substitution method. Sorry, I like elimination. I like elimination method, I will go with elimination method. Now, see the coefficient of equation 1. A coefficient is 3. Here A coefficient is 2. Then what to do? Equation 1 with 2 you have to multiply. Equation 2 you have to multiply with 3. That means multiply equation 1 with 2. Multiply equation 1 with the coefficient of a is 2. So 2 into 3a plus 2b equals to 12. That is 2 3s are 6a plus 2 2s are 4b equals to 2 12s are 24. Okay. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 12s are 24. Now this will be equation 3. Okay. That will be equation 3. Next. Equation 2 with 3. That means multiply equation 2 with 3. That means 3 into 2a plus, okay, 3 into, okay children, see here, 3 into 2a plus 3b equals to 13. 3 2s are 6a plus 3 3s are 9b plus 3 13s are 39. So equation 4. Now what happened? Here 6a and here 6a. Both are equal. Now what to do? Solving equation 3 and 4. So solving equation 3 and 4. Solving equation 3 and 4. That is 6a plus 4b equals to 24. 6a plus 9b equals to 39. Now minus. So if minus means this might be minus, this will be minus, this will be minus. 6a get cancelled. So 9 minus 4 is 5b. That is 9 is a larger number, so it contains negative symbol. 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1 and it contains negative symbol. So both the negative symbols get cancelled. B equals to 15 by 5. So 5 ones, 5 3s. So you got the value of B. B equals to 3. Now you may get doubt, sir, in question x and y is there, why you got B? Listen, wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Now substitute B value in any one of these two equations, either 3 or 4. So substitute b equals to 3 in equation 3. Okay, substitute b equals to 3 in equation 3. 6a plus 4 into 3 equals to 24. 6a plus 4 3s are 12 equals to 24. 6a equals to 24 minus 12. That is 6a equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 12. 2 minus 1 is 1. That is 12. That means you got a value now. A equals to 12 by 6. 6 ones, 6 twos. So a equals to 2. Okay, that means a equals to 2 you got, b equals to 3 you got. If you highlight, you can looks very easily. Now we have to find the value of x and y. No? Do you remember in the starting we consider 1 by x equals to a. Okay, in starting we consider 1 by x equals to a. Starting 1 by x equals to a. Now 1 by x equals to, what is the value of a you got children now? 2. So 1 by x equals to 2. Now do cross multiplication. 2 into x, 2x. 1 ones are 1. So x equals to 1 by 2. Now you got x value. Now how you are going to get y value means, listen very carefully. There we consider 1 by y equals to b. So 1 by y equals to, what is b value? 3. So 3 by 1. Again cross multiplication. 3 into y, 3y equals to 1. So y equals to 1 by 3. So like this you got it. Okay? Like this you got it. Okay children, in this way you can do the sums. So children, I think now you understood the concept of if they give in different way. That means like just now I gave you the question for this. Okay, is it clear? Suppose the same means in different, one more question I am giving you, but I will not explain. Once check it. See here, if the question is given like this. Okay, then how we are going to solve first? As I told you, first convert them into linear equations in two variables, a standard form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, so there are two equations. I told you a1 plus b1, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Two equations. Now, here in these two equations, you observe one thing: 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x minus y. Here also 1 by 2 is there. Means 1 by 2 times 3x plus y, 1 by 2 times 3x minus y. So here consider, that means let 1 by 3x plus y equals to a and 1 by 3x minus y equals to b. This will be very easy. How to write this equation I am telling you. That means a plus b equals to 3 by 4. Now do cross means 4 you bring this side. That means 4a plus 4b equals to 3. That means equation 1. Now come to this equation. See here, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y equals to minus 1 by 8. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. This means this can be written in this way. Now you know 1 by 2 into a minus 1 by 2 into b equals to minus 1 by 8. Now LCM is same here. So you can take 2. 1 into a minus 1 into bb equals to minus 1 by 8. 2 ones, 2 fours. That means a minus b equals to minus 1 by 4. This 4 comes here. 4a minus 4b equals to minus 1. So that is equation 2. Now from this, you know again, you will find the values of a and b. Then what you have to take? Here already we consider 1 by 3x plus y equals to a, no? So you substitute a value here and do. Here also b value substitute and do. What will happen, you know? Here not like before some only 1 by x or 1 by y. Here if you clearly observe two variables. That means again same model you will get. Again same. That means if you do the sum you will understand. If not, tell me, just post one message. I am going to explain in the next class. Okay. This sum again definitely I am going to explain in the next class. Don't worry. But you try it. Try it as a homework. But homework again I am giving you two methods. One is elimination and substitution method combination, and this type of model, two sums. Okay. So try to do it, children. So I told you, know, without knowingly we are going to finish the syllabus very fast. Means very fast in the sense that means we are going very slowly, but without knowingly we are finishing all the sums. I'll tell you. Okay. Have a nice day. And till today I did not tell the classwork anything. I'll tell you soon. And get ready with your graph books. Get ready with your graph books, children. Have a nice weekend and happy Janmashtami, children.